all fresh, you're gonna add you a little bit of oil in there. You can do fresh peppers and onions, or you can get the frozen ones like I did. Chop you up a red onion, mix it all together, and
go ahead and add your fresh tomato. Go ahead and do your mixing. Your bell peppers and onions, and go ahead and add your shredded chicken. I brought shredded chicken because I be busy, y'all. I don't be having time to do all that boiling and cutting up. So add that in. I'll be using on my chicken and onion powder, slap your mama, or any other type of Cajun seasoning that you like. I like to switch it up every now and then because I do the Louisiana season as well. Garlic powder. Got me some Badia complete chicken bouillon. I mean, this, y'all. This. Yeah. Oh, I said it right. This. And then I'm going to use some smoked paprika and some pepper. And I might do a little bit of salt. But this is what it's looking like right now. I'm going to add all of that. In a separate pan, I'm going to put a little oil here and take my tortilla and dip it in here. And then transfer to my oil. Y'all see me add the cheese and everything. This is not dirt, y'all. This is not dirt. It's just I think I had my thing up too high one time. So I'm going to add a little bit of cilantro to it. So I'm going to add a little bit of cilantro. Go ahead and get this started over here. Just a little bit of oil. Make sure it's enough. Go ahead and mix in my cilantro in my mixture. And then I'm going to take a tortilla. And that is just going to get dipped in the mixture. Flip it around a little bit. Okay, so it should be drenched in your little mixture. So we're going to add that. Get some of that mozzarella up in there, like so. And I like my cheesy. I ain't stingy with my cheese. Put that all in there. And then we're going to take some of our chicken mixture that we made and put that in there like so. Okay. And then we're going to fold that. Let me get my spatula. Fold that back in half. And then we're going to flip it on the other side and do the same. Running out of grease. So what I did was the same thing, except for I'm going to pop these in the oven instead of putting it in the oil. And I'll let y'all know. So these are about to go in the oven. I thought about something as I was going. I forgot to dip these, so that's what I'm about to do. Dip them back in there and then add some cheese. So now I'm going to put them in the oven and let them bake. So this is what they turned out. This is how they look. And the same way out of the oven. One of these is the oven, one of them is the fried by the pan. They both taste the same. Okay, so let me show y'all why I call it the not your average pull apart taco. Because for one, I don't use ground beef, I use chicken. For two, the way that I made it is just, whew. I cannot find old girl on Facebook that actually cooked these, but when I find her, boy, let me tell you, she did a thing with this one. Watch this. So when I say pull apart, that's what I mean, pull apart. This is delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.